in the remote mountain commune of Marangara, today has been set aside for celebration. The unthinkable is happening. Burundi's head of state is on his way to visit. It's not exactly the form of transport you'd expect from a head of state. He's followed by a convoy of armed guards. This former sports lecturer knows how to combine work with keeping fit and staying in touch with the people. En route, he stops at this community project.
This belonging to the association made by people organized. So we're going to buy these trees in order to plant through the country. They are fruits trees.